Vicki Sheber's daughter was brutally murdered by a serial rapist. But Vicki doesn't think he should die too.
If we were the ones that said, oh yes, we're asking for the death penalty, it's like having our name on his death certificate. And we weren't going to be able to do that.
Shannon Sheber was studying at the University of Pennsylvania 2 decades ago when she was attacked and killed. Her mother, now 75, has been fighting against the death penalty ever since.
I promised you that I wasn't going to come home to the state that you were born in, and the state that you died in no longer have the death penalty.
Maryland, where Shannon was born, abolished its death penalty in 2013. And now Philadelphia's district attorney, Larry Krasner, is pushing to have capital punishment removed in Pennsylvania, arguing it's unconstitutional, racially biased, arbitrary, and discriminates against the poor.
The system hasn't worked properly in decades.
The district attorney's office found an alarming statistic. Between 1978 and 2017, there were 155 death sentences in Philadelphia, and nearly 3 out of 4 were overturned. Mark Bookman has spent years representing inmates and says inadequate counsel is to blame.
You can't say that a system works when 160 people, went to death row for any length of time, and then we determined that they were innocent.
But many state prosecutors disagree.
It was reserved for the worst of the worst. Not all murders are the same, and they should be dealt with differently. Individualized sentencing.
Sheber says she'll keep fighting because her daughter would want her to.
Shannon's up there now, and she's going to help me make this happen, but I just knew that this was the thing that I had to get done.
Pennsylvania's Supreme Court will hear oral arguments on the matter in September, determining whether the state's death penalty will remain in effect. In Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Talia Kirkland, Fox News.